Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into some compelling reasons why you should learn Filipino, whether you're a foreigner or simply someone who's curious about this beautiful language. Let's get started. First is you can connect with family and heritage. For those with Filipino roots, learning Filipino is a fantastic way to connect with your family and heritage. Understanding and speaking the language can help bridge generational gaps, allowing you to communicate more deeply with relatives and appreciate your cultural background. Number 2 is to enhance travel experiences. Traveling to the Philippines becomes even more enriching when you can speak the local language. Whether you're exploring the bustling streets of Manila or the serene beaches of Palawan, speaking Filipino helps you navigate more easily, engage with locals, and truly immerse yourself in the culture. Number 3 is for business and career opportunities. Learning Filipino can open up numerous business and career opportunities. The Philippines is a growing economy, and being able to communicate in Filipino is a valuable asset for anyone looking to work with or within the Filipino market. It shows respect and commitment to understanding the local culture, which can be a significant advantage. Number 4 is to appreciate Filipino media. Filipino media is rich with vibrant stories, catchy music, and engaging television shows. Learning the language allows you to enjoy Filipino movies, telenovelas, and songs in their original form, giving you a deeper understanding and appreciation of the country's entertainment industry. Number 5, to strengthen cognitive skills. Learning a new language, including Filipino, can significantly boost your cognitive abilities. It enhances memory, improves problem-solving skills, and can even delay the onset of dementia. It's a fun and challenging way to keep your brain active and healthy. Number 6, to build friendships and connections. Speaking Filipino or other languages for that matter allows you to build meaningful relationships with Filipino speakers worldwide. Whether you meet Filipino language learners or native speakers, understanding and using Filipino can help you form lasting friendships and create a global network. Number 7, to understand Filipino culture and traditions. Language is a key to understanding culture. Learning Filipino gives you insights into the country's rich traditions, values, and way of life. You'll gain a deeper appreciation for festivals like Sinulog, cultural practices, and the nuances that make Filipino culture unique. Number 8, educational benefits. Studying Filipino can be a rewarding academic pursuit. It broadens your linguistic horizons and enhances your understanding of linguistic structures. For students, it can also open up opportunities for scholarships, study abroad programs, and specialized studies in Philippine history and literature. Number 9, to foster inclusivity and diversity. In today's globalized world, learning Filipino can promote inclusivity and respect for cultural diversity. It allows you to connect with Filipino communities locally and internationally, fostering a sense of unity and understanding among diverse groups of people. Number 10, personal fulfillment and growth. Learning a new language is a journey of personal growth. Mastering Filipino can be a fulfilling achievement that boosts your confidence and self-esteem. It challenges you to step out of your comfort zone and open up new horizons, both personally and intellectually. So there you have it. These are just a few of the many reasons why learning Filipino is a fantastic idea. Whether you're looking to connect with your heritage, enhance your travels, or simply challenge yourself, embracing this beautiful language can enrich your life in countless ways. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing content. Maraming salamat.